Hello my friends! Since there are so many of you in love with the Apple brand and products, I thought what better way to celebrate that than to create a handmade Apple logo. I started with printing a picture of it from Google and I cut an approximate square around it. I did not let the entire page in place nor did I crop the logo because it wouldn't have been easy to handle and work with. I've placed the square on a magnetic sheet on the sticky side and I cut the magnet around the paper. I've done also my research about the colors that Apple used up until now and I chose a combination of grey, gold and black. Then I started to create some shapes out of these colors. Tight rolled coils, loose scrolls, ring coils, bent circle teardrop and some swirls. You can find the way that they are done in my previous shape tutorials. I made a few of each shape out of each color. I did not have a number in mind since I did not know how I was going to make my design. I did not use all of them in the end, but I will have them ready for a second Apple logo magnet that I'm going to create for a friend of mine. And next I started to put my imagination to work. Enjoy the process! As a tip, I first placed the shapes on my sheet without gluing them to see how they fit and look like, and only after I was satisfied with the result I actually glued them in place. After I was done, I cut the logo around its edges and that was all. It was not easy, I even got mad at times when there was something I didn't like, but in the end it was fun and the result is pretty nice. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I'm waiting for comments also to let me know if you like it, especially the ones of you that are fans of Apple products. Take care!